Japan is known for having really unusual flavored Kit Kats. So we are here in Japan right now and we are going to taste test their two special flavors for cherry blossom season. So sakura season Kit Kats, here we come. All right, so here we are trying these fancy Japan Kit Kats. They are sakura flavored Kit Kats right there. On one side of this cool box, we have Osaka Castle. What's on the other side? Dosonbori, the river. All right, so you want to open one up and see what it's like?
Yes.
All right, let's see what's on it. All right, okay, what's it say?
A little baby Kit Kat thing.
Oh, it is a little baby Kit Kat thing. All right, open it up. What's it look like? Ooh, it's bicolored. All right. Yeah, there we go. All right. So, ooh, it looks yummy. All right, try one. Let me know what it tastes like. Oh, why, thank you.
I don't know how something can taste like a tree, to be honest.
That's fair. That's fair. So, what does it taste like to you, though? I don't think it tastes like tree either.
Leaf.
It tastes like leaf? Compared to the other sakura flavored things we've tried so far, how would you compare this?
Practically identical.
Practically identical. They all taste good. Would you recommend it to people? You would. All right. That's it? That's all you have to say about it? Nothing else?
Why would I?
Everyone should try it? Oh, I take that as a yes. All right. Thank you for your time today, good sir. Okay, so Kit Kat number 2. What do we have? Mount Fuji Kit Kats that taste like, what does this say?
Blueberry cheesecake.
Blueberry cheesecake flavor. But you can still see the cherry blossoms there. All right, open it up. Let's see. Is there the same picture on the front and back on this one?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Not cool.
Not as cool, the boxing, but it's still a pretty cool box. All right. There you go. Okay.
Had to be a lot more violent with that one.
I see that. All right, so we have a blue packaging. What do they look like inside? Ooh. So they're blue and white. Okay.
Ooh, it smells amazing.
Does it? Thank you. Ooh, it does smell amazing. All right. So what do you think?
I've never had blueberry cheesecake, so I don't know.
Okay, well that's fair. You've had cheesecake before. How do these compare to other Kit Kats you've tried? Seeing as Japan is home of the fancy Kit Kats. Oh, 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up?
I'm too lazy to raise the second one.
But you would if you were not that lazy? All right, that's fair. Okay, so here's the Kit Kat close-up. Let's focus on it. Oh, you thief. I guess they really are good. Definitely worth a try when you're in Osaka.